Okay, Bella Restaurant is building a curved awning for the entrance to their restaurant. They need material for only the top and the front of the awning. So find the surface area of the awning to determine the total amount of canvas necessary to make the awning. So in other words, they just need the top and the front. So we've got this half a circle front, you know, for the awning. And then we have this top material, which goes all the way around. There's nothing needed back here because that, you know, that goes up against the wall. So we just need the front and the top surface area. Well, how are we going to do it? Well, we're just going to add those together, aren't we? We just got to do them one at a time. So let's start with the top. The top. What kind of shape is the top? Well, it's half of the sides of a cylinder. Do you see that? Remember, it's like a soda can on its side, isn't it? It's half of the sides of a cylinder. Let's go to the formula sheet. Here it is, exam 3 notes. Here's a cylinder. Now notice I added some stuff to make it more clear because the cylinder has 2 different parts. It has the 2 pi r squared. That's the, you know, pi r squared. That's the circle on the bottom and the top. That's why it's 2 pi squared. That's top and bottom. And then there's the sides, like all the way around the sides. That's 2 pi rh. So that's the part we need right now, because we're talking about just the sides. The round sides is 2 pi rh for a cylinder. So our formula here for the top, it's going to be half. And what's the sides of a cylinder? Times 2 pi rh, right? Half of 2 pi rh, because again, 2 pi rh is the sides of a cylinder. So it's half, right? This is halfway around a soda can. So, okay, so then this is a half times 2 times pi. What's the r? What's the radius? Well, the radius is from the middle to the edge. The radius, here, let me change my color. The radius must be 4. I don't think we can see that too well. That change didn't work well. Radius is 4, right? From the middle to the edge, because this is a circle right here. So halfway across the circle from the middle to the edge, that's 4. So the radius 4. What's the height? Well, that's the 12, because this soda can is sitting on its side. The height is 12. That's the height of the soda can. So so use your calculator, take 1 divided by 2 times the pi button times 4 times 12. Really, if you wanted to be quicker, you could just, the half and the 2 cancel, don't they? It's just going to be 48 pi. So, but you can do it longhand or use the shortcut you notice, if you notice it. So either way, I'm getting 150.7964. Okay, now that's just the top though. That's not the whole story. Now, in addition, we have the front. So we got the top. We got all the way around the top. Now the front, what is the front? The front is just a half of a circle, isn't it? Just half a circle. So we just go a half times pi r squared. So it's just a half times pi. What's the radius? You already got the radius is 4. 4 squared. So on your calculator, 1 divided by 2 times the pi button times 4 times 4. So I'm getting 25.1327. And then you just add those up. The total surface area is going to be the 150.7964 added with the 25.1327 added up. Plus, I'm getting a total of 175.9291. There we go, total surface area. So recapping again, we just had a half of the sides of a cylinder. That was the top. So that's half a 2 pi RH, which is the sides of a cylinder formula. Plugged everything in, got that, and then the front is just half a circle, half a pi r squared. Got that, add them up, total, there we go.